There are many different shampoos. What I covered was the clarifying shampoo that's in this clip. The everyday shampoo, I just consider it like a general shampoo. In the next clip, I covered the moisturizing shampoo. I don't too much fool with dry shampoo now. And the next one is the color treated hair shampoo. And you can find that in many different shampoos that say it's safe for color. Let's go. Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Simply Tams. So I've gotten a few comments about shampoo, so let's jump right on in. As someone who may be newly natural, maybe you came from a relaxer, maybe you had locks, so now you're loose natural, you're trying to figure out where to start. Do I need shampoo? What is it? There are many different shampoos, so I'm going to take you through a few of them. So let's get started with the sulfate-free gentle cleansing shampoos. If you decide to include a shampoo in your regimen, which you will, what we want to have is a moisturizing shampoo and a cleansing shampoo. The cleansing shampoo I'm referring to is a clarifying shampoo. Those are two shampoos that you're really going to need. Now, there are some exceptions where you may want to add in some more shampoos, but we'll get to that. So first, your sulfate-free gentle cleansing shampoo. It doesn't have to be anything expensive. This is the new shampoo that I've been using. It's by L'Oreal. It's the Ever Pure Sulfate-Free Color Care System. This is their moisturizing shampoo. So what this is supposed to do is cleanse the hair, not strip the hair, but also allow moisture. The shampoo is also color safe. So what that means is most of the time, most of these moisturizing shampoos have like oils and different things in it, so it's gentle on your hair. So when if you think about it, like, let's take a step back. I just cut off all my hair. I went from a relaxer to now natural hair. What do I do? We need to cleanse the hair. Depending on the products that you're using, we're going to incorporate a cleansing shampoo. So if I use formulated oils for the hair, butters, gel, mousse, you will need to cleanse the hair. So if you are just starting out and you don't have a regimen or routine, kind of start with every 2 weeks. So if every 2 weeks you're going to wash your hair, the first wash is going to be with your moisturizing shampoo, and then the second wash may be with your cleansing shampoo. I wash my hair every week, so I do 3 weeks of moisturizing and 1 week of clarifying, but that also depends on what I put on my hair. I know that can be a lot starting off, so start off with every 2 weeks a moisturizing shampoo, then a clarifying shampoo, okay? Okay, and we're going to get to what a cleansing shampoo is, but just think your moisturizing shampoo should not contain sulfates. We don't want to see sulfates in your moisturizing shampoo, okay? So next, let's move on. Your cleansing shampoo is going to be a little bit more, I don't want to say harsh, but it's going to be more cleansing. Okay, so the cleansing shampoo is meant to kind of strip the hair of any oils, any butters, any gel, any mousse, because we want to cleanse the scalp. Shampoo is for your scalp. Is to cleanse the scalp, to make sure the scalp is actually clear of any products, debris, toxins that's in the air. You want to cleanse your hair. Now, I had somebody say, like, oh, I don't use any gel, I don't use any mousse, I don't use any products, so do I really need to shampoo my hair? Yes, you do, because let me tell you why. This is what you're not accounting for. When you walk outside, unless you live in a bunker, going to be toxins, debris. It's going to be things in the air that you're still going to have to get off of your hair. So now, I have the Ajwa Beauty Blue Tansy Clarifying Shampoo, but this shampoo is supposed to be more, it's like a clarifying shampoo, but it's not as stripping. So the clarifying shampoo is going to, again, take everything off your scalp, off your hair, and it's going to, you know, make way for your natural sebum to kind of come through. It's going to cleanse the hair so you kind of reset. All right. Now, so we have moisturizing shampoo, we have cleansing shampoo. So sometimes you hear the word shellating shampoos. And you will use this at the swimming or monthly for basic anti-hard water maintenance. So if you are a swimmer, you're going to want to use a hard water shampoo. I actually have one. It's by Malibu and it says hard water shampoo. Let's see if it'll focus. It's kind of bright. It's going to say hard water. If you are a swimmer, if you go diving in caves where there's like natural minerals, you're going to want to use a hard water shampoo to remove those natural minerals, to remove those chemicals. If you're on a family vacation and you go swimming one time, like, okay, that's fine. You don't have to just jump to a hard water shampoo. If your state has hard water, you're going to want to use this. But if you are an actual swimmer and you go swimming daily, you know, every other day, then you want to include a hard water shampoo, what they say, a chelating shampoo, because you do want to get those chemicals and those natural minerals off your hair. Okay. So again, let's go back through it. We have our moisturizing shampoo. We have our clarifying or cleansing shampoo. We have our chelating shampoo, which may be classified as a hard water shampoo. And then let's see what else we have on here. That should be the main three. And then they talk about the clarifying. So now when it comes to shampoos, again, we only need two. We want a moisturizing and we want a clarifying. We should not be clarifying our hair every week. If you are clarifying your hair every week, there's something wrong. Like something is going on, okay? And we want to figure out what that something is, because we don't want to necessarily be clarifying our hair every day. And let me tell you why. Our hair naturally produces sebum, like oil, and for us black and brown people, it's not producing at the rate that some of our shorter hair European sisters are producing at, which means you're not going to want to strip away at that oil. Okay, we want to preserve that. That's where it really helps our strands of hair. Okay, so now I have this Suave Daily Clarifying. Do not let the name of the title dictate how you use it. You want to look at the ingredients. This has sulfate in it. So will I be using this on a daily basis? No. I'll be lucky if I need this once a month. And it's going to depend on what have I been putting in my hair. Have I put oils in my hair? Yeah. Have I put butters? Yes. Have I put this? Yes. Okay, I may use this. But like I said, I found Aja Beauty and they have a more hydrating clarifying shampoo, if that makes sense. They did throw some oils up in here, so when I cleanse my hair with it, all clarifying shampoos aren't made the same. Some are way more stripping than others. That Suave is going to strip everything off, okay? It doesn't feel as like stripped. When I cleanse my hair with this bad boy, I can hear the squeak. I can hear the squeak. This taking everything off. This is not something you want to do on a consistent basis, okay? So let's run back through. Okay, if you know nothing about shampoo, listen to me. You need two: a moisturizing and a clarifying. If you're clarifying your hair, that's maybe once a month, once every 8 weeks, depending on what you're putting in your hair. If you're putting in oils, butters, creams, mousse, gels, you are going to want to take that stuff off of your hair so your scalp can be clean. So typically you're going to be using your moisturizing shampoo, this is my moisturizing shampoo. And then when it's time, you'll jump in and use your clarifying shampoo. Okay. So hopefully this explains some things. And again, if you are a swimmer, you are going to want to use a hard water shampoo to get that off of your hair. The purpose of shampoo is to cleanse the scalp. Everybody should be cleansing their scalp. Some people do not use shampoo to cleanse their scalp, depending on what products they use. They use water. What else they use? They use something else. I'm not in that category because I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to use my butters. I'm going to use certain things. It's not necessarily what you use. It's how you take it off your hair. If you're not taking this stuff off your hair, you're going to cause buildup, which means you're at risk for scalp conditions, scalp issues, and ultimately the health of your hair is going to suffer if you're not cleansing your hair. So say it with me. If you are just now starting out, you're going to need two shampoos, moisturizing and clarifying. If you a swimmer, what you going to need? Hard water. If you dive into caves, what you going to need? Hard water. Okay? Do not let the name of the shampoo confuse you with the ingredients. So for right now, don't even think about brands. If you say, I want a moisturizing shampoo, Go into your local CVS, Target, Walmart, go to the shampoo aisle and look at the back, right? Because shampoo may say, oh, this is a moisturizing shampoo and it has 4 different sulfates in it. I'm going to recommend to everybody read the book, The Science of Black Hair. This is where this information is coming from. These are by trichologists. So this is more things to look at. Remember, when we're going to buy products, we're looking at the ingredients, okay? We don't want that. It's okay using a sulfate because we're going to use it in our clarifying shampoo, but when you're saying you're trying to moisturize your hair, you don't want something that strong of a detergent to strip your hair. We want moisture, okay? So the shampoo is going to cleanse, lift the cuticles, the water goes in, and then we go into conditioner. So meet me in the next video. Let's talk all about conditioners. I'll show you some of the conditioners that I use, and I'll tell you the purpose. What is the purpose of conditioner? Because a lot of times we get like mixed up with what's the purpose of all this stuff. What is the purpose of shampoo? Cleanse the scalp, right? A healthy scalp. What's the purpose of conditioner? Click on my next video and I'll let you know. Bye, y'all. If you made it this far, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye.